I will show you this tutorial as simple as possible. Let's start the tutorial. Copy your video clip and paste it to overlay. Go to Adjustment section. And then do it same as I do. Go to Effects section, and then search Motion Blur. Now do it same as I do. Now search Blur Effect. Set the amount to 15. Set the blend mode to screen. Now export your video clip to highest quality as possible. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.